Welcome to this App Factory video demonstrating web build and web testing. In this video, we will see how to build a desktop web project using App Factory, test the project, and view the results. This video assumes that you're familiar with the App Factory's build process. So let's get started. You can see I'm starting from the build screen, and I assume you already checked in a desktop web project from Visualizer. Now in my case, I checked in my admin console project that has a desktop web channel associated with it. Like any app built in App Factory, you'll need to provide a Git branch to build from, your Git credentials, and your cloud credentials to publish the app to the cloud. You can select the web channel from the list of build channels supported by App Factory, just like you would if you built a native binary or SPA. If you want to publish the application to your Fabric, you'll need to make sure you check the Publish Fabric App checkbox to publish your desktop web app to your Kony Fabric cloud that your project is linked to. Finally, you can leverage your Appium test scripts located in your test/testng/web directory to run your functional test against your desktop web project by simply clicking this checkbox. Now, the web directory is a subdirectory under the same testng directory used when you're deploying your mobile app test scripts. Once you hit run, the project will build and deploy to the cloud. Once the application is built, you will receive an email with a link to the WAR files created by the build process. Just like any other build, you can also find the WAR file in your build history from your Cloud Console. If you deployed your app using the Publish to Fabric checkbox, you can now view your app from the web. You can see I've deployed a few other apps in my mobile Fabric instance. Now, 2 of these apps have desktop web apps, and I can view my web app by going directly to the app's URL or accessing it from the deployment console in the Fabric runtime, as you can see here. If you ran any web test, you can view the test results from your Kony Fabric console or review the email results sent to you when the tests are complete. Here's a sample test results email. In this video, we built a web app, tested the web app, and viewed the results. For more videos on Kony App Factory and Kony's other DevOps services, please check out basecamp.kony.com.